Hello class 11 students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss accountancy in general. Okay, from chapter 1 to chapter 6 you have a theory is given, and chapter 7 you will understand general. Okay, what is general? I am going to discuss about it. I can understand accountancy is new subject for you. In starting few video you will face little problem, but after few days you will understand properly. Okay, try to understand what is general and how many types of account. In this video I am going to discuss it. How many types of accounts? There are three types of account. First, personal account. Second, real account. Third, nominal account. Okay, what is personal account? Means bank account, Ram's account, Shyam's account, etc. This is personal account. What is real account? Cash account, real account, furniture, etc. Real account. What is nominal account? Nominal account means expenses. What is our expense? Suppose I am giving rent of this area. Then this is nominal account. Nominal means expenses. Now after that I will discuss golden rule. What is golden rule? There are three types of golden rule: personal, real and nominal. What is the golden rule of personal account? You know very well. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. And nominal account, all the expenses and losses are debited, all the incomes and gains are credited. Okay, so try to understand in broadly what is personal, real and nominal account. I am going to discuss it. Please see it. First, personal account. Personal account. I think you can see very easily. Personal account. Personal means what? Account related to person. Okay? Account related to persons. For example, Ram account. Okay, for example, Ram account. Accounts, personal account means account related to person. Okay, for example, Ram account, capital account, bank account. Capital account, bank account. Okay, this is personal account. What is real account? What is real account? Assets account, furniture account, machinery account, assets account, assets account, furniture account, machinery account. Okay, assets account, furniture account, machinery account, cash account, stock account. Cash account, stock account. Okay, this is real account. Third and last, nominal account. What is nominal account? Nominal account. What is nominal account? I am going to discuss. Nominal means expenses, losses, incomes, expenses, losses, income, gains, Okay, expenses, losses, incomes and gains. Okay, for example, discount account, for example, discount account, rent account, interest account, rent account, interest account, profit on sale of assets account. Okay, so in this video, these are the types of account: personal account, real account and nominal account. Now I'm going to discuss what is golden rule. At first, before going to discuss golden rule, please take this screenshot. Then I'm going to discuss golden rule. Please take the screenshot. Okay, now I'm going to discuss what is golden rule. I'm going to discuss it. Which rule? Golden rule. Golden rule. Okay. What is golden rule? I am going to discuss. We know very well there are three types of golden rule. First, personal account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Sorry, personal account, real account and nominal account. What is personal account? Already I have given the introduction. The personal account golden rule is what? We know very well, debit the receiver and credit the giver. A real account, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. And nominal account, all the expenses and losses are debited and all the incomes and gains are credited. How I am going to discuss it? Please see it. First, personal account. Personal account. Clear? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. I am going to discuss golden rule. If you don't have full command over golden rule, then you will face lots of problem in accountancy. Because golden rule is the base, golden rule is the root of the accountancy. You will have to build full command over golden rule. How will you build your full command over golden rule? I am going to discuss it. Please see the video and try to build your command over golden rule. Golden rule is the root of accountancy. Okay, try to understand and try to build the full command over golden rule. I am going to discuss it. M receives rupees 1000. At first I am going to discuss there are three types of golden rule. First, personal account. Second, real account. Third, nominal account. Real, nominal, and personal, real, and nominal. There are three types of golden rule. At first, I am going to discuss personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. This is the this is golden rule of personal account. Real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. And personal account, all the expense, nominal account, all the expenses and losses are debited and all the incomes and gains are credited. How I am going to discuss? At first, I am going to discuss personal account. This is personal account. Debit the receiver and credit the giver. M receives rupees 1000 from F. We know very well what is the journal entry of this things. Okay. M receives rupees 1000 from F. So here M is receiver. M is receiver. M account is receiver. Okay, he is receiving the money. M is receiver. So M is debit. Clear? M is debit. M account debit to F account. Who is giver? F account. F is giver. F account. F is giver. It will be credit. Okay. M account debit. M is receiver. M receives. M receive. Who is receiver? Debit the receiver. The M is receiver. So we have written here debit. Who is giver? The giver is F. F is giving the money. M receives rupees 1000 from him. The F is receiver. Sorry, F is giver. So we will write here credit. Please note down. M, what is receiving? He is receiving cash. He is receiving cash. Okay. The cash is receiving by F. Okay. This is personal account. Okay. And what is real account? I am going to discuss it. Please see the real account. Real account. Clear? Next, real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Debit what comes in, credit what goes. Debit what comes in, credit what goes. It is what? Anything if you are if anything you are getting, then you will debit. You will do debit, and anything is going from you, then you will do credit. How I am going to discuss. Purchase furniture for rupees 1 lakh for cash. Purchase furniture. Purchase furniture. Purchase furniture rupees 1 lakh for cash. Okay. Purchase furniture rupees 1 lakh for cash. Clear? How? How will you pass the entry? Furniture comes in, furniture comes in here. Furniture comes in, okay, here furniture comes in, this is real, this is real account, you will do debit. Try to understand. Debit what comes in? Furniture. Debit what comes in, credit what goes there. Purchase furniture. The furniture account debit to cash. Furniture account debit. Purchase furniture. Furniture account debit to cash. Purchase goods. Purchase account debit to cash. So purchase furniture. Furniture account debit. Furniture comes in. This is real account. This is debit. Okay. Purchase furniture and cash. Cash account. This is cash account. This is goes out. Goes out. But cash is what? This is also real account. We know very well. This is also real account. This is correct. Fine. What is the goal? What is the entry of this question? Purchase furniture rupees 1 lakh in cash. Furniture account debit to cash. Furniture account debit to cash. Clear? Please take the screenshot of this entry. Okay. Now next and last I am going to discuss nominal account. Okay? Nominal account I am going to discuss. Clear? Next and last, nominal account. Personal complete, real complete. Now I am going to discuss nominal account. Nominal account is, you know very well, all the expenses and losses are debited and all the incomes and gains are credited. This is the rules of nominal account. All the incomes and gains are credited, all the expenses and losses are debited and all the incomes and gains are credited. This is the rules of nominal account. How we will solve, I am going to discuss it. Please see the video. Nominal account. Which account? Nominal account. Okay. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Debit all expenses and losses, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Okay, credit all incomes and gains. Debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Received rupees 500 from bank as interest. Received rupees 500 from bank as interest. Received rupees 500 from bank as interest. Okay, received rupees 500 from bank as interest. It means what? Cash account debit to interest. It means what? Which type of things you are taking? Received rupees 500 from bank, so cash you are receiving. Cash account debit to interest. Okay. Discount received. The cash account debit to discounts received. Okay. Rent received. Okay. Cash account debit to rent received. Okay. In this way you will solve it. Interest paid, interest account debit to cash. Okay. These are the golden rules. Okay. You will follow it and you will learn it. Okay. So don't forget to like and subscribe of this channel. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.